Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add any link to your project on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After you have logged in, you can start working on any of your projects. Now, once you are inside the edit menu, if you wish to add any link to your project, just click on the text option at the left side and you can manually add your text by clicking on add your text or use any of the designs that are available underneath within the menu. After proceeding from either one of the options, you will be allowed to add your text. Now, by clicking and highlighting all of the text section, you can choose all of the text and now simply paste your link within. You can also define your font size and place this at any location. After you have pasted your link, click on the link options menu and then paste this link once again within the add link section. Then click on the checkbox and now the link that you have posted will be linked with this text that will appear within your project. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a link within your projects on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.